ocean. It is so big.
Welcome to the beach, everyone.
Smell that salty air? It is the perfect summer day.
I want to build a giant sandcastle. I want to split waves. Let's go.
Hold on, little crab. Safety first.
Oh man, it is so cold and sticky.
It protects your skin from the hot sun, Leo.
Exactly. Now, we need to set up our home base. I will put the bright red umbrella right here. Look at it, kids. What color is our umbrella?
It is red. Bright red.
Good. This is a very crowded beach today. There are people everywhere.
Listen carefully, Leo. This is the most important rule. You must stay close to the red umbrella. Do not walk away by yourself.
I promise, Dad. I will stay close.
Okay, who is ready to play in the sand?
Me! I have my oars, book, and shovel. Let's dig a big hole for the castle moat. Dig. The sand is so soft. Fill the bucket. Pat it down. Look, Mom! A sand tower!
That is a beautiful tower, Leo.
Who wants a cold drink from the cooler?
I do, please!
I will help you pour the drinks, Dad.
I will keep digging my hole. Wait, what is that? Something is moving in the sand. It is a tiny yellow sand crab! Hello, little crab. Where are you going? The crab is running fast. Scurry. Come back! I want to look at you.
The crab runs past the red umbrella.
Just a few steps. I will be right back. I am a fast runner, too. The crab runs past a blue umbrella. Scurry. Gotcha! I put my orange bucket over the crab. I caught the little crab! Mom! Dad! Look what I caught! Mom? Dad? Leo looks around. There is a blue umbrella. There is a green umbrella. There are so many people. But where is the bright red umbrella? Where did my family go? I walked too far. Everything looks the same. Dad? Where are you? The beach is so loud. The waves are crashing. My tummy feels funny. I am scared. Mom! I am lost!
Okay, Mia, here is your cold water.
Thank you, Mom. Where's Leo?
He was just playing with his bucket right here.
Leo? Leo, time for a drink!
He is not by the sandcastle.
Oh my goodness, he is not under the umbrella. Leo! Leo, where are you?
Stay here with Mia, Mom. I will go look for him.
I am scared now, Mom.
Me too, sweetie. But Dad will find him.
I want my mom.
Hey there, little buddy. Why the tears?
I am lost. I can't find my red umbrella.
It is okay. I am Lifeguard Dan. My job is to help people. What is your name?
My name is Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo. Let's go up to my tall white tower. From up there, we can see the whole beach.
Okay. Thank you, Lifeguard Dan.
Up the wooden steps we go. Look through these binoculars, Leo. Do you see your family?
I see umbrellas. I see yellow towels. Wait! I see him! I see my dad!
You see him? Which way?
He is wearing a blue swimsuit. He is looking for me.
I see him too. Let's give him a wave, man. That whistle is coming from the lifeguard tower. Leo! He is up there! Dad runs through the sand as fast as he can. Leo! Oh, thank heavens you are safe!
Dad, I missed you so much.
I was so worried about you, buddy. He is a brave kid, Dad. He just got a little turned around. Thank you so much, Officer Dan. Just doing my job. Have a safe summer, guys. Let's go back to Mom and Mia. They are waiting.
Leo! You are back! I am so glad you are safe, little brother.
I am sorry I walked away. I chased a little yellow sand crab.
The beach is very big, Leo. It is easy to get lost. That is why we have the most important rule.
Stay close to the red umbrella.
Exactly. We make rules to keep you safe because we love you.
I will never chase a crab again.
Good boy. Now, who wants some strawberry ice cream?
Yay! Ice cream! Yay! Ice cream! The beach is fun, as long as I stay close to my family.